Let's get your Puerto Rico LLC set up correctly and make sure you aren't overspending on any unnecessary startup fees or ongoing expenses. Here are the 7 steps to create your LLC. Also, sign up below for a free LLC formation checklist. Step 1, name your LLC. The most important thing when choosing a name for your business is that it's unique. To make sure the name isn't already being used by another business in Puerto Rico, go to this page on the Department of State's website and type in the name you'd like to use. If you want to start a new pharmacy, I wouldn't recommend trying to call it CVS. You must include limited liability company, Compañía de Responsabilidad Limitada, or an abbreviation like LLC or CRL at the end of the name. Both English and Spanish versions are acceptable. You'll find the link to the name search tool, the specific naming requirements, and resources for everything we talk about in this video down below in the description. Speaking of names, when you've decided on a name for your business, I would immediately go and reserve a domain for your business. I recommend getting a .com domain if it's available. Most domain registrars charge from $10 to over $20 per year for a .com domain. We recommend getting your domain from spaceship.com because they have some of the best prices on domains for the first year as well as the annual renewals. Step 2, choose a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or business that will receive important legal documents and notices from the state on your behalf and forward them to you. This address will be listed publicly, so I wouldn't recommend being your own registered agent and using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must keep normal business hours Monday to Friday, and you can't use a P.O. box. If you want to keep your address private or you don't want to have someone at a particular address from Monday to Friday during business hours, we recommend hiring a registered agent. On this channel, we've reviewed multiple registered agents, and our favorite is Northwest Registered Agent. More about them later on in this video. Step 3, submit the certificate of formation to the Puerto Rico Department of State and pay the $250 filing fee. You can file this online, in person, or by mail. The online version is faster and you'll generally have your LLC formed in 1 business day. But to guarantee that, you can pay a $100 expedited fee. To have your business created even faster, pay $200 for same-day processing or $500 for 2-hour processing. Their certificate of formation will include business name with your chosen designation like LLC or CRL at the end, the business's physical address and mailing address, your registered agent's name and address, business purpose, a few words about what your business will do, the name and address of each authorized person who created the certificate of formation, the name and address of each person who will manage the LLC after the certificate of formation has been filed. Term of existence, will your business be open indefinitely, or is there a specific date when you'd like it to be closed? Effective date, the filing date, or a specific date up to 90 days in the future. Authorized person stating that everything in this document is factual with their name, date, and signature. And lastly, a business email. Step 4, obtain an employer identification number, EIN. This may also be referred to as a federal tax ID. Think of it as a social security number for your business. If you're the only owner of the LLC and you won't have any employees, you could use your social security number instead of an EIN, but in most cases it's better to have one. You may need one for banking, taxes, or for hiring employees. The application process is pretty straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes on the IRS's website. We have a video that walks you through the entire process that you'll find down below. Step 5, create an operating agreement. This document will state how your LLC will be managed. Puerto Rico law doesn't require you to have one, but I recommend creating one even if you're the only member of your LLC. Banks may also ask for a copy of your operating agreement when you go to open a business bank account. If you have a complicated situation with many business partners or investors, you may want to work with a lawyer to draft the operating agreement for you. But in many cases, especially if it's just you, you can use one of Northwest's registered agents' free operating agreement templates that you'll find on this page. Step 6, open a business bank account. This will make it much easier to keep separate your business and personal assets and expenses. It will also help you maintain the liability protection that your LLC provides. You can open an account with local banks like Banco Popular or First Bank. Some U.S. online banks may open accounts in Puerto Rico, but you'll have to read the fine print to see if they are available in Puerto Rico or not. To keep your business open and in good standing, Step 7, file an annual statement and pay the $150 filing fee. This may be done online. The annual statement is due by April 15th each year, starting the year after you form your LLC. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing this is the first time you're creating a business, and all these steps could sound overwhelming. The Puerto Rico Department of State's website might not be the most user-friendly, and you could have questions along the way. Instead of going it on your own, as I just described, or paying a lawyer potentially thousands of dollars, I recommend working with a formation service to help you get your LLC set up correctly. We recommend working with Northwest Registered Agent because you pay $39 plus the filing fee for the first year, and you get an operating agreement and their registered agent service for free for the first year, and then you pay $125 per year for year 2 and beyond for them to continue to be your registered agent. Let's run through how to create an LLC with Northwest. You'll find a link to their website in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you click and make a purchase, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. If you found this video helpful, it's a great way to support our channel. Click Get Started. LLC has already been selected. Scroll down to select Puerto Rico. You'll see the standard processing is 1 day, paying the state fee of $250 plus Northwest $39 fee. Click Continue. Enter the business name you'd like to use. If you have a lawyer and want them to receive a copy of any legal notices, select Yes and enter their email. Otherwise, just leave it as No. Then choose the physical address and mailing address you'd like to record with the state. I'll leave our registered agent's address selected for both. How will your LLC be managed? Will it be member managed or manager managed? Will the owners manage the business, or you elect a manager to run the day-to-day operations of the business for you? If at any point you have questions, click on the question icon to learn more, or if you continue to have questions, you can contact Northwest by phone. You'll see their number listed right here, or you can fill out this form on their contact page. I'll add my information as member 1 and leave selected our registered agent's address as the address to record with the state. If you have additional members, click Add Member to add their information. On this next screen, add your contact details, first and last name, phone number, and address. Create your Northwest account by entering your email and creating a password. Here you can add their business identity bundle. You can get a domain, website, email, and phone free for 90 days and then $21.60 a month, or you can add them individually below. I won't add any of these though. There are other services I would rather use for my domain, website, and business email. This is a good point to mention that we have a free training that'll walk you through everything you need when starting a new business. Logo, business name, domain, website, business email, business bank account, and more. To get access to this free training, sign up using the link in the description below. Here's some additional optional items you may want to consider. It's nice that Northwest doesn't try to bundle these into different packages, forcing you to pay for a more expensive package when maybe you want to add just one additional thing. If you don't want to deal with getting an EIN on your own from the IRS, Northwest will get one for you for $50. Again, it's pretty easy to do if you just follow the instructions from our video down below, but totally up to you. You can elect to have your LLC taxes as an S Corp. This could save you money on taxes, but normally it's not worth it until you're earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 of profit per year with your LLC. There's a video about S Corps down below. If you need a virtual mailbox, you can see that Northwest doesn't offer this service in Puerto Rico. You can get one from Anytime Mailbox or a similar business. If you selected everything you'd like to add, click Continue. Fill out your payment information and click Done. Tomorrow, you should have your Puerto Rico LLC. If you're having Northwest get your EIN, they'll ask you to fill in some additional information after this payment screen. If you found this video helpful and you'd like to support our channel, don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description when forming your LLC. We could earn a commission at no cost to you. Now it's important that you don't make any common LLC mistakes with your newly created business. To avoid them, watch this video right here. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.